Ever wondered why they call it a black box when it's actually orange? Inside every airplane's black box, there are two key components: the flight data recorder and the cockpit voice recorder. The flight data recorder captures hundreds of different parameters from the plane, like speed, altitude, and engine performance. The cockpit voice recorder saves the last few hours of conversation between the pilots and air traffic control. These recordings help investigators understand what happened during a flight, especially during an accident. So, the next time you fly, remember the black box is there to make flying safer for everyone.